everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. And for today's vlog, we're going to unbox this really kick-ass sneaker. That's a collaboration between ASICS and Transformers. Yes, you heard me right. I'm talking about badass Optimus Prime, Megatron, Bumblebee, all of those amazing robots turned into a shoe. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But anyway, before we get to that, let me just share that make sure that you watch until the very end because of two things. Number one, we're going to announce the winner of the raffle for the Yeezy inspired face masks and the sneaker accessories such as the extra laces and the cleaning solution. And I am going to announce a new giveaway because I am going to give this sneaker away to one of you. Let's go. So let's get started. I copped this sneaker from my favorite, one of my OG reseller sneaker friends, Shoe Freak PH. If you watch the very start of my vlog, he was one of the very first sneaker resellers that reached out and, did a partnership with me. We gave away a Yeezy back then. But anyway, so this sneaker, like what I mentioned earlier, is the ASICS Transformers. It came out in, I think, late 2019. And you have, just taking a look at the box, you have Optimus Prime, you have Bumblebee, and you have over here, of course, the big bad himself, Megatron. And if you take a look at the box, you have different panels of comics or manga or whatever you want to call it, with the different frames of the different Transformers duking it out. You have the logo, of course, over here of the Autobots, and the Decepticons. So that said, let's pop the box open. 1, 2, 3. Ba-bam! So the first thing that greets you, by the way, I already, put this on feet to be able to do this review. First thing that greets you are the Velcro like straps or covers. And we'll get to this in a bit because this is a big part of what this shoe is. Obviously, you can see over here, this is the Decepticon logo, Megatron written on it. And then, this is one of the very few sneakers that actually comes with the manual because you need the manual because this sneaker transforms. So, di ba? Bongga. And you have another strap over here, which we'll talk about in a bit. And then you get to the actual sneakers. Ba-bam! This is the sneaker. This is the ASICS Transformers Gel Lyte V. So, they use the Gel Lyte V silhouette, one of my favorite ASICS lifestyle silhouettes that they have been offering throughout the years. In fact, one of my favorite ones is their collaboration with Commonwealth, which is a local sneaker store here in the Philippines. But anyway, let's get to this shoe. Now, as you can see, it's dominantly gray with pops of the colors of our favorite Transformers. If you take a look at the left sneaker, then we'll go to the right, and then we'll get to the Velcro strap of Megatron. So you have over here the insignia of the Autobots, or the emblem, or whatever you want to call it, and then you have the name Optimus Prime over there. And then at the back, you actually have Optimus Prime. So, so those are his eyes. That's his head over here. That's the helmet thing that he has on. And the interesting about this shoe is that it transforms. How? Because this part is all Velcro. So you can actually take it out, replace it with the Megatron one, and then you can mix match it. Maybe one foot is like Optimus Prime and the other is Bumblebee, or the other one is Optimus Prime and Megatron, or Bumblebee and Megatron, depending on whatever it is that you feel. So this is the Optimus Prime setup. Now, the sneaker by itself, by the way, is super comfortable. Gel Lyte V, one of the most OG comfortable sneakers that you can put your feet on, and I cannot praise it enough. You guys have to try it on feet if you haven't yet. So this is the left pair. Now, the right pair that we have features, of course, Bumblebee. So there you have it. You have his yellow color, that wasp color. You have, again, the Autobots emblem over here. You have his name, Bumblebee, written across over there. Take a look at the back. You have the bee. You have his blue eyes. You have his helmet, you have the overall Bumblebee look. And again, you can take off the straps, you can put on Megatron, depending on whatever you feel for that particular day. Very easy, actually. You just take it off, and then you strap on the Megatron thing. And you know what? I'll do that right now, just so you guys have an idea of what it looks with and without straps. So this is what the sneaker looks like without the strap. Now, as you can see, there are no laces, but it does come with laces. Should you want to use laces, you can slot it in, and then you can wear it with laces on top of the Velcro shield. But you can also wear it without laces if that's how you want to rock the pair, and just go with the Velcro covers. And how this works is very simple. You get this part over here, you put it at the back to be able to mimic Megatron's eyes and face. Bam! Take a look at those glaring red eyes and that familiar metal gray color of Megatron. This is the shield that you put on top of the shoe. You have Megatron, you have the Decepticons logo over here. Again, all you have to do is to slap it on the Velcro, and then you're pretty much good. Well, I didn't do it properly, so let's give it justice, or else Megatron will come out and blow me to bits. But yeah, there you have it. So this is the Megatron version of the shoe. Now, my only concern with this particular sneaker is that you have no choice but to wear it mismatching. So I think it would have been awesome if they came in like 2 sets. So maybe, you know, 2 Optimus Primes and then 2 Megatrons and 2 Bumblebees. So if you feel like wearing just the Optimus Prime look for the day, you can do that. Or just the Megatron look for the day, you can do that. Or just the Bumblebee look for the day, you can do that as well. So that's my only complaint. So you have no choice but to do it in a mismatching style. I was reminded by a friend though that one easy solution, according to him, is to just buy 2 pairs. That's kind of expensive, right? But anyway, if you want to pull that off, you can do that as well. When it comes to on feet, like what I mentioned earlier, you'd be surprised to how amazing the cushioning setup is of the ASICS Gel Lyte V. Everything from the gel injected midsole to that super comfy insole that they put, by the way, which also has like characters or comic panels of Transformers. It just works really well. And it's also extremely breathable with the mesh that they use for both, well, for all panels of the sneaker, from the toe box to the side panels. They're all very breathable, letting air cool your feet if you're walking for an extended period of time. Only concern, and this is one of the big reasons why I'm giving this pair away, is that it fits a little bit small. So I usually go either a half size up or even a full size up when it comes to Gel Lyte Vs. This one is just true to size 12. So maybe you saw in the on-feet shots that it looked like my feet are almost exploding. So yeah, it is tight. So you might want to get it at a half size or maybe even a full size up if you have wide feet like myself. That's the reason why we get to the next part, which is our raffle mechanic. So yes, guys, I'm giving this exact pair away. It is size 12, so it should fit you if you are maybe 11 to 11.5, or maybe if you have narrow normal size feet, might even fit you if you're size 12. If that's not your size, then what you can do is when you get it, you can just flip it and sell it for cash. It's all depends on you. When you win it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So what are mechanics? Very simple. Number 1, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you guys haven't yet. Number 2, you have to like my Facebook page. The link to that can be found down below. You have to follow me on Instagram. Again, the link to that can be found down below. And you have to join our Facebook community, which you can find on my Facebook page, which is called the 721 Squad. And lastly, all you have to do is leave a comment down below on who is your favorite Autobot or Decepticon. So who is your favorite Transformer? Optimus Prime? Is it Megatron? Ratchet? Who else? Rodimus Prime or Hot Rod? I forgot all the names. But yeah, there are a lot of them. So just pick one. Let me know in the comment section. Include your IG handle. And I'll be drawing the winner in a week. And now we get to the fun part. Let me share with you and draw the winner for our raffle for the Yeezy inspired face masks. Let's find out who the winner is. So congratulations to the winner. Make sure that you check your DMs. I'll be reaching out to you via Instagram to set up how I can get you your prizes. And before we end the vlog, let me just share that Lazada is doing a 6/6 bounce back sale. So that happens June 4 to 6. Amazing products on sale, up to 80% off, including a lot of tech, including the new Xiaomi Note 9 series. So you have the Xiaomi Note 9, the Xiaomi Note 9 Pro, you have the Xiaomi Note 10 Lite. There's so many, the naming conventions can be confusing, okay? But my point is, a lot of amazing gadgets for grabs. What I would advise you to do is you click the link pinned in the comment section and in the description box to go to the landing page of the sale and already start add items to your cart. Or if they're still out of stock, what happens is they'll be on stock come June 4, just add them to your wish list. So when June 4 comes, all you have to do is to click checkout and pay, and then you get the items in a couple of days from now. The thing with big sales like this is that the good items run out really fast. So you would want to be alerted as soon as the items are available, so that all you have to do is to press checkout, especially with super high demand smartphones such as the budget-friendly offerings of Xiaomi. So again, guys, make sure that you click the link down below if you're looking for new gadgets, whatever it is that you're looking for that's available on Lazada. June 4 to 6, massive sale, the bounce back sale of Lazada. The link can be found down below, pinned in the comment section, as well as the description box. add cart, add to cart, add to cart. And for our power-up words of wisdom of the day, the word is caution. This is very important. Guys, I know that GCQ will be implemented in Metro Manila. So that means that the curfew will no longer be there. A lot of people will be going out. And we do have some public transportation already working. My word for you is caution. If you don't need to go out of the house, don't. If you don't need to, go to the mall, it's partially closed anyway. You don't have to keep on eating out. My suggestion is if you can still stay at home and watch for the numbers to go down, maybe wait for a vaccine or wait for a better solution. As much as possible, try to stay healthy, stay at home, stay safe, because the pandemic is not yet over. So again, guys, caution. It doesn't mean that if it's GCQ that the pandemic is done. In fact, I really feel that we're still in the middle of it and things might get worse. So let's stay home, let's stay safe, let's be prayerful, and let's just hope for the best for one another. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for today. Actually, I have to cut it now. I want to share so many more things, but I'm actually about to do a webinar for Adobe Studios, which is like a YouTube network, to talk about monetization for content creation in YouTube. So I'll do that first, but yeah, that's it for the vlog. Peace, God bless. What's up, everyone? Boom. Oh, so cute. Tiffy. Dusty.